right, we on to the rear. As you can see, I didn't have to use the jack for the front, and don't have to use it for the rear. That's what we looking at. That's the sway bar right there. Got the sway bar links with it. All right, I'm gonna get to it. All right, that bolt right there is a 15 mil, and that bolt right there is another 15 mil. I went ahead and did that side as well. Now I'm in the rear sway bar. So these bolts holding the sway bar are actually 13 millimeters. Old and new. This is our accessories. Okay, so these are looking like they're gonna go inside the sway bar. Push that up in there. Put these sleeves here. Something like that. Go up in there. You want to put that bushing in first, and then put that in. Because if you do it that way, it'll be harder. It's always good to have the directions. Right. Alright, so this is the sway bar link. That's the setup. Gotta get it like that. That's what we got. That's the setup. And this goes at the bottom like that once you put the sway bar on. So we're gonna go ahead and get that. We're gonna go ahead and get the sway bar started. And that's the way that spacer gotta be in between before you put that together. That spacer. Make sure you lock tight on those as well. Add some Loctite. Alright, I'm gonna go ahead and mount that up. Mount that side. Gotta hold it up. Got to make it work. Use my legs and arms. Make it happen. Got that side in. It's a little rough, but made it happen. Hold this side and then work with this side. I held this side with my leg. Work this other side over here. And got it in. And I should be able to put those in with no problem. tighten it down now. Alright, that was a 15. Those bolts holding the sway bar. 4 of them. 15 mils. This bottom bolt is a 22 millimeter. You want to tighten that bolt, and everything will be tight. That very first bolt will tighten it up. That is the final touch. Both sides. Oh yeah, being that these were upgrades and nothing was wrong with these parts, I will be selling them. So if you're interested, holler at me. Front and rear sway bars and the stabilizer or the sway bar links. They're still good. Hey man, if you're liking the content, give this video a thumbs up, man. I'd appreciate it. Make sure you comment, subscribe. Got any questions? I'll be glad to answer, man. Until next video, the Pull Up King.
We have emotion, nigga. We have emotion, we have emotion. Yeah.
Hit with another one.
We have emotion, we have emotion, we have emotion, nigga. Hey, we have emotion, we have emotion, we have emotion, nigga. I swear I'ma ride for this, I'ma grind for this, I did time for this. I swear I was built for this, on guard, my partner got killed for this. Cause we have emotion, we have emotion, we have emotion, nigga. Hey, we have emotion, we have emotion, we have emotion, nigga. I swear I'ma grind for this, I did time for this, I'ma shine for this. I swear I was built for this, on guard, my partner got killed for this. We have emotion, I swear I ain't bragging and boasting. On that leaning, I swear I ain't focused.